connecting. All right. Well, let's get started this morning. We had a nice presentation. Will did a terrific job yesterday on Prolon and explaining what it is. Everybody should go back and listen to it. It's really rewarding to see how a fasting mimicking diet can make such changes in your life. And so the question is, how do you make it work in your store? And that's what we're here to talk about today is what do you do to make it work? And so we got some ideas on how you should do that. And so our customers is really our most valuable thing that we have in our pharmacy. Is the relationships that we have with our customers is really the value of your pharmacy. And these values can be leveraged and created into more important things than just emails in your POS system or your pharmacy management system. And so how do we get paid for that value? And Prolon is the first step for us to do that. And if you listened to the program yesterday, or if you haven't, you should. It gives you lots of insights on how Prolon works. And an example is that if you had 10,000 emails in your system, now in ours at Williamsburg Drug, we have 16,700 plus emails. So if you took those 10,000 and Prolon develops an email that sends their product through you, you then set up an email out and you give your customers a store card that comes in. So you get the customers that are coming in and going out that you're sending your emails out to. Those two methods will get you well over 10,000 people in most average stores. If you had a failure rate of 90%, in other words, 90% would not click through, and then you failed again by 90%, so you really only ended up with 1% buy rate. What does that really mean? And what it means is that let's say you made $50 on a sale and you had that 100 people buy, that would be $5,000. And how else can you help your patients get healthier, help your pharmacy with better revenue? And it's mailbox money. I mean, this is something that you basically needed to know a few steps with that allow you to answer the basic questions. And that's all you need. So you need to really provide nothing but a good, clean email list. You need to know both you and your staff to answer the basic questions about the product. You need to get the information from watching the Wednesday's Wellness Talk on POA at your leisure. And you have 100% of your time. And what are you willing to give up to get something greater? And this is a little ask for a big give. I mean, if you think about it, you will be able to get more money from these projects. And let's say that you had a 5% return rate. That's $25,000 a month. So this can be huge for people. And over time, we'll be doing this monthly. So we'll have 8 to 12 different companies present through this year. And I think it's exciting, just truly exciting. And once you've got a good email list, you know how to answer some basic questions about the program. You keep your email list. You don't ever give out to anyone. You can work through companies like GRX to approve the emails going to your patients, or you can approve them. And then you will need to keep the content. That way you will keep the content under control, and your company will be paid through your email list and as a percent of products sold forever. So you'll get paid two ways forever for this. And I don't know how much easier we can make it than this for you guys. I mean, we should be able to knock this out of the park. I think it's the biggest opportunity we've had in forever. This is just terrific. At our pharmacy, we're at 40% plus cash business. That's outside of regular retail prescriptions and growing and more in that direction. So we're excited about it. And that's what we're here to talk about today is how to maximize your cash business. And this is a great way to do it. Prolon's a great product to start with. You can go on and start watching the videos now. They'll be getting, we're doing a test with my company next Wednesday. And so we'll let everybody know what the results of that is and see how it goes. Is it any questions out there? Anything I need to cover that we didn't? So this is a 6-figure plus business for your pharmacy and profit. We really need this to work.
Yeah, TW, as you said, you're doing this experiment this week. Is that it, or next week?
Yeah, we're going to do it this coming Wednesday. We did one yesterday, and we used Ananda as a first push to see what we can get from it. And I can call this morning and find out what we sold yesterday. We sent it to a little over 16,700, and I think that we'll get a good return on it. So I know that most of these companies are paying the 35% range of whatever the product is to us. And so I think that's pretty daggone exciting. If you can get $35 for or more, $50 a month per patient, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, it definitely builds on that $5 that you get, or 50 cents you get for that prescription.
Oh yeah.
And Prolon, of course, being a diet product, I believe, there are 5 key questions and such. When are you going to go over those?
You mean for Prolon?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm just going to let them, you can watch their videos and learn all that stuff. That's why you got to go to POA's website, you got to watch the video and get you and your staff familiar with it so that you can answer those 5 questions.
Great.
But that's a good point, Dave, but we need people to go to the website and start using it. That's how you get to make this project really, to go for us. And if we can just get 10 pharmacies doing this, we're not asking for a lot, just get 10 doing this, it would make all the difference in the world to those companies and to ourselves. And then we can work on getting the rest.
Okay, so the key is to get it moving. Also, as far as us promoting it, we will be promoting it past this. We're already promoting it in the Topic Tuesday series.
Good. That's what we need, guys. So until next Thursday, we will we'll get things moving again next Thursday. Prolon's doing another talk on Wednesday, and let's get this thing moving. It'll be exciting.
Very good.
All right, guys. Thank you for your time and attention, and let's get this thing moving and have us a lot of mailbox money.
Thank you, TW.
Thanks, TW.
Bye, guys.